Hi everybody, it's Alicia DeJong here, and I am doing this video because it looks like I've been selected as a small group of people to be part of the new YouTube premiere. So I thought I'd cut this little video as I'm trying to work it out. So what I've done is I've just gone on and I've gone to upload a video into YouTube, and it's given me the option here to do a premiere. So what a premiere is, it's actually a scheduled video. Okay, so what I can do now is what will happen is, as you can see here, no, not there, here, you click on upload at the top. Basically, first of all, a YouTube premiere is a feature that lets you and your viewers watch and experience a new video together, much like a movie or TV premiere. Premiere Your Video allows you to schedule a video upload and create buzz around the video with a shareable watch page. So we're initially launching this feature to a small group of creators and we'll be rolling out more broadly soon. Premiering a video can only be done from a desktop. Okay, so I've already uploaded a video, and what happens now is I can actually schedule this. So over here, you'll see it says Premiere Now because I've toggled this button. If I click here, I can go scheduled and I can say when I want it to be. So say I want it for 1 p.m. Local time. And okay, so I'm going to premiere for Wednesday, October 17. Select the date or time. When the video is done processing, click premiere. What happens? Before the premiere starts, a public watch page is created. The video will eventually premiere on the watch page. A tune-in notification is sent around 30 minutes before the start of a premiere to videos who have opted in receiving notifications, which is the bell icon. A second notification is sent at the start, letting viewers know the premiere is starting. Wow, this is powerful. A countdown will appear during the first 2 minutes of the premiere, and when the countdown is over, viewers watch the video together in real time. Viewers can't scrub forward, they can scrub backwards during the stream. There is a concurrent viewers count that shows the number of viewers watching. You and your audience can interact in the comments, live chat, if enabled super chat. Let's have a look at super chat. When the premiere is over, the video remains on your channel as a regular upload. Note, after the premiere, the countdown won't be included in your video. Okay, chat replay is available for viewers who want to experience. So a super chat is, you can use super chat to let your viewers purchase chat messages. Okay, super chats. All right, we won't go right there right now, but what I'm going to do is, it is 20 minutes to go, so I'm actually going to schedule out that for 1:30, so that way it gets the 30-minute head start to allow people that you're going to go live in that time. So this particular one is actually a Facebook watch party tutorial on 3 tips to hosting a successful party. So let's see how this goes. That's how you will be able to do a YouTube premiere video. How exciting is that?